What's up everybody? In this video we are going to show you how to hide embarrassing or private games on Steam so that your friends can't see what you're playing or what's in your library. So let's just get started. So Steam does not allow hiding individual games from your friends list directly, but we still have working ways to hide them properly. So you can start by going to your Steam, open up Steam, and once you go to your Steam you can go over and click on your profile name here and go to your profile right there and access your profile. And once you go to your profile, you can select this option of edit profile right here. Select it and go to the editing profile section. After that, you need to head over to your privacy settings right here and click on it, and that should make you access to your profile privacy settings. And you can set out some basic options here. So you can basically look out for game settings here, game details. And once you find game details, you can drop this option down here and set it to private, and that should automatically save the changes. You can even look out for your playtime settings if available and make it to private as well. And your current playing status and playtime should automatically be hidden once you do so. Apart from that, you can just go and hide currently playing status only. So for that, you can click on your Steam at the top left and select the option for change status available. You can just go and do so. Or once you select that, you should be finding option of go offline. You can click on it and turn it off, and friends won't see what game you're playing, but they'll still able to be see your library. And apart from that, you can just go and remove games from public view. For that, you can go to edit profile section right here, and within edit profile, you can go to profile customization section. And within profile customization, you can look out for favorite games, such kind of things like profile background. And if you have that game available, you can just go and remove it from your profile, and that should also probably work out for you. And apart from that, if you want to hide it from your library, head over to your library and find your game, click on it, and usually you should be finding an option to hide it up. You can just go and select this option of hide this game and hide it from your library. That should also probably work out for you. So that's it everybody. You may follow this method to go ahead and hide Steam games from your friends. So if this video helps you out, drop a like and subscribe and comment, and we'll see you in the next one.